I have the zip file in my PC. Just right click on it and select the cut option, and then go to this PC and open the drive that has enough space, and right click on the blank area and select new and select folder. Name this folder games and press enter. Double click on the games folder and paste the zip file we copied, and then go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on open it. Select virus and threat protection and select the manage settings. Scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select add an exclusion and select folder, and you just need to navigate to the games folder that we created. Select the games folder and select folder option, and the games folder has been added to this list. And then just to close stuff here and open up Chrome and search WinRAR download. Select the first site, select the WinRAR English. After the download done, select the WinRAR and select yes option and select install option and select OK and select done. Now right click on the zip file and select WinRAR and select extract here option. And now you just need to right click on the game icon and select show more options and select send it to desktop create shortcut, and then launch the game through the desktop shortcut and select more info and select run anyway option. And as you can see, the game opens up without having any problem, and you will never face any game related problem, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.